Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney. I'm located in Ithaca, New York. And today I'd like to talk to you about collateral damage from a criminal case or a DWI case. Now, people go through their criminal case or go through their DWI case, and at the very end, the judge gives sentencing, announces sentencing. And at that time, there are going to be certain conditions that go along with your sentencing. Conditions could be probation. Conditions could be that you go get a drug alcohol evaluation. Conditions could be that you get a mental health evaluation, community service hours. All of these can be conditions that the court is going to require for you to satisfy the court. Now, what ends up happening is this. Sometimes certain conditions are written out in the agreement that you sign with the court, but sometimes some of the things that are spoken about during this sentencing you need to listen very carefully, because I've had cases where people were not listening carefully to what the judge said, and they said, you're going to need to get a drug alcohol evaluation, and of course, everything that goes along with that drug alcohol evaluation. So when I talk about collateral damages, I'm talking about the things that sometimes that you don't hear that are kind of between the lines. So on a drug alcohol evaluation, there's going to be a recommendation from the drug alcohol evaluation that says you're going to need X. You're going to need a certain number of treatments or a certain number of weeks or months of treatment in a specific type of treatment program. Or if you get a mental health evaluation, that it's going to require you to follow up and follow through with this. If you don't meet those conditions, if you don't do all the recommendations, then the court, when and if they find out about it, can say it's a violation of the conditions of your discharge with the court. It's a violation of your conditional discharge, or it's a violation of what the terms and the conditions were of the sentencing. So you need to be very careful that you not only read what is written on the paper, but you also have to be listening carefully at your sentencing, or at least your attorney should be, to what the conditions of your sentencing truly are. And you have to follow through to make sure that all those are met, because you don't want to have to go back to court with a violation. And you don't want to have to be resentenced on your case and have it reopened. That is not a fun thing to do. If you have any questions about your DWI case or other criminal matter, please feel free to give me a call. This is what I do. I'd be more than happy to answer them.